slowly floated down and settled on the screen of my phone. And I realized I always eat chocolates in front of my phone, but I've never asked if it would like to have some. Now that sounds silly. How can a phone want to have a chocolate? But that's who I am. I love my gadgets so much that I sometimes forget that they cannot think. Long back, when I was in school and I was first studying computers, I saw a cartoon on my textbook. It looked like this. A computer was thinking, I cannot think. I found it very interesting and showed it to my brother. He remarked that if a computer cannot think, how does it have a thought bubble attached to it? That set me thinking. I thought, will computers really be able to think someday? Since then, I became very interested in technology. I always scored good marks in computers in school and college. Throughout school and college, I was the go-to guy for everyone's computer queries. At this point, everyone would think that I would have studied something like computer engineering or similar, but I did not. I was also very interested in finance. I found the stock markets to be particularly alluring. So I decided to take up finance and study chartered accountancy. But my love for technology never waned. In 2011, I started my own technology blog. I did this because I had an unlimited internet connection at home and unlimited free time on my hands. And it also seemed like a good way to utilize my time. While working on my blog, I learned a lot of new things, how websites were created, and in general about the internet. In the midst of all this, I also managed to complete my chartered accountancy. After becoming a chartered accountant, I got a job with a power sector PSU in West Bengal as a finance officer. At my new workplace, I once again became famous as a person who knew a lot about computers. I was once again the go-to guy for most people's computer queries. After a couple of years, I decided to switch my job. I gave a couple of interviews, but I could not get through. At this point, I was wondering whether my obsession with technology had helped me, because it did not help me with my career and caused me to lose focus of what would help me in my career. But fate had other plans for me. When I applied for a job with Funds India, I did not even know what post I was applying for. I simply came down for an interview. Being from finance, my interview started with regular questions about stocks and mutual funds. But they also asked questions about IT. And they ended up being impressed enough with my responses that they offered me a post as a business analyst. A position that allows me to combine my knowledge of finance and IT and put them to good use at my company. Friends, from my experience, I have learned that knowledge is never useless. I have always been curious about things and always tried to learn new things. And while not all the knowledge that I acquire may be directly relevant to my career, it helps me develop as a person. Joining Toastmasters is a part of that endeavor to learn more and more. Today I start my CC journey at the bottom of the pyramid with my eyes set at the peak, and I hope that through this journey I will become not only a better speaker and a better leader, but also a better person. Thank you all.